What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, we're going to try something a little bit different. We're going to do some real live trading. I do this already with my Discord chat every single morning, so I figured why not set up the camera, set up the lights, and just record what I'm already doing every single day for you guys on YouTube. So in today's video, we're going to have an actual live trading example of me using the 9 EMA strategy, trading Tesla puts to the downside. Definitely a really nice bounce back today in the scalping account, closing green on these Tesla puts. Puts look like they may be the move for the next few weeks, maybe the next few months. I don't think it'll be that long, but this is a great time to learn how to play puts, how to use this 9 EMA strategy to the downside. It definitely worked for me today, and hopefully after watching today's video, you guys will see how I did it, and maybe you can implement it into your trading. So before we jump into the live video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to press that like button for me. It'll really help out the video. It'll help out the channel continue to grow. Press the bell notification so you guys know every single time that I post on this channel. So real quick, I want to outline how this video will be formatted. So right now, after this clip, we're going to run the live trading where you'll see me talking to the Discord chat. I have two mics set up, the one that I'm talking to you right now with, and the USB mic where I talk to the Discord chat. We're going to run through a few of my Tesla put options. I have one that I'm going to show you, which I really like. It was a good example of me watching the NASDAQ, of me watching Tesla, and the 9 EMA all together to formulate an entry and then go ahead and formulate an exit. So hopefully after watching this video, you'll see what I did and potentially take it into your own trading. So let's see if Tesla is gonna break this 570 level. 570 break could be a big break, or you could find a lot of support there. So let's see. Nasdaq's looking pretty weak. Definitely won't help Tesla. The only thing I don't like is how fast the NASDAQ fell. You know, when the NASDAQ falls that fast, there's a better chance that you see some type of bounce. So, let's see. So there's your 9 EMA bounce on Tesla. It went right into the 9 EMA. It failed it. So now this looks even more attractive for a put option. So we definitely have some support temporarily here at Tesla. 570 makes the breakdown even sweeter if it happens. So staying patient here on Tesla, waiting to see if we get that break. GameStop holding 9 EMA now to the upside. Watch this 146 breakout. All right, we're getting another rejection at the 9 EMA on Tesla. NASDAQ's now falling. All right, I grabbed Tesla puts. Wow, instant. Holy crap. Instant drop. I'm taking profits. It definitely can fall more, but that was $100 in $100 in $100 in 12 seconds. Wow. Sorry, that was fast. I know that's hard to follow, but you saw basically what I did there is I was watching the NASDAQ on my side screen. I saw that it broke new lows. I got into Tesla puts anticipating that it would follow, and I got in like a second before the drop happened, and then I just took it. It could definitely still move down, so keep watching. Here's your pretty nasty drop. But the problem I have with these puts at these levels is that like one bounce, like if we get a bounce here at this 1 minute, like you guys are seeing right here, this could totally wipe out any profits. The problem is, so look at the NASDAQ has a green candle on the 1 minute and Tesla has a red candle on the 1 minute. So there's some back and forth there, which I don't love. I'm loading a 560 put on Tesla now. I'm gonna just use one contract. I'm not in it yet, and I'm probably not going to get it if it happens right here. But I'm just going to decrease my size because I don't feel like losing the money I just made. GameStop's still going up. Alright, I grabbed one more put on Tesla there for that 565 break. NASDAQ's getting hit. This should move. Nice. Taking it. All right. So there's just another example. That was a small one. That was $50, something like that. But that was just another little trade of the breakdown. So the better entries were at the 9 EMA. Whenever we bounce into that 9 EMA, that's your entry for the put option. That's the better entry. I obviously am not trading it perfectly here. But the more, that's the lower probability, higher profit entry. I think the better probability entry is when you break low, but you also take less money off of it. So guys, after taking those Tesla puts, hopefully you enjoyed that live example. You saw that I was using 9 EMA if we failed to break above it and we went back towards the low of day. I would look to scalp some put options, and it worked out pretty well in that example. Now, after taking these puts, I'm about to show you a recap of some call options that I took actually, and I used the 9 EMA again. So midday, which you'll see in the video right now, Tesla had a nice bounce back, and I used the 9 EMA to now the upside. So let's go ahead and jump into that example. Hopefully that'll help you out as well. All right, guys, so I got Tesla pulled up. This is live as we speak. You can see Tesla's breaking out of this flag right here, looking really good, making me want to trade it right now. But let's just go ahead and recap this previous trade. So what you guys will see, we had that big sell-off. We had a nice bounce. We held this nice support line, and then we sort of moved past these highs and had a really nice break. NASDAQ was moving out as well, so this definitely helped Tesla. Now, where I took this nice call option, I think it was, it was at 1238. Took about, I don't know the percentage, but it's close to 100%. So maybe 60, 50% there. So really nice, 50%. Bought it at 1238, sold it at 1240. So 2-minute trade. Now, why did I buy it at this level? So right here at 1238, that is right here on this 9 EMA bounce. So right here is 1238, this candle right here. Now, we had a big move on Tesla. I missed that original move. We pulled back right here. And what you guys will see is when a stock is trending like it was here, very strong, you get a nice pullback to this 9 EMA line. We chopped around, found support. You can see this very bullish wick here. So we wicked down, wicked straight back up, opened and closed above the 9 EMA. And on this 1238 candle, when I saw some really strong momentum come in, as well as the NASDAQ pushing up, I took that trade right here at 1238.01. Now I waited for this move to end, and I sold it at 1240. So 1240 was on this first red candle. So basically my plan here was to take it on this breakout, see the break of around 590. This is $590 a share, and then sell it on the first sign of weakness, which was this red candle. So here's just another example of using that 9 EMA. You can see a really nice pullback right here. Over here, we have another example that's actually unfolding live as we speak. You can see that we pulled back, we moved up, we pulled back to the 9 EMA, and we held it extremely nice right here, a nice bullish wick, and then a move past high of day. Right here is the, not high of day, but intra highs here. And then right when we broke out of it, boom, nice move on Tesla. That would have been another great entry here on the 9 EMA. So great example here. 9 EMA is pretty awesome when you have a trending stock, especially a strong stock like Tesla is right now. Hopefully you guys see that example. Up about $1,200 on the day now. In that last recording, I think I was up around $400 or $500. So took advantage of some call options here on the upside, making back a lot of the losses that I had last month in the scalping account. So very happy with this action today. So guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed that example of the put options and the call options. I think this is a great learning lesson for anyone out there that's looking for this strategy, trying to learn it. Hopefully today's video helped you out. I've been trying to step up my social media game a little bit more. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, if you want to follow me on Twitter, I post some trade ideas there. I also post some intraday thoughts on Twitter. I'm going to try to pick up the content a little bit more. So make sure to follow me on there if you guys want. I'll put both of the links down in the description below. Also, if you guys want to join my Discord chat where I trade with the group every single day, it's going to be the first link in the description below. You guys saw sort of how this goes in the put option clip. I get on voice chat every single morning, talk to the group till around 11 o'clock. When the market action starts to slow down, I'll jump back on if I see some things that are going on. But overall, a great community. I love talking to them every single day. And, you know, the chat is awesome. Just being there, calling out trades, it has definitely helped me. And I know it has helped some of you guys out there as well. So I hope you guys have a great weekend. It's Friday. Go out and enjoy. I'm going to do a Sunday market recap doing that technical analysis. I sort of like doing it on Sundays. I think it sets you up for the next day. So hopefully you guys stick around and watch that as well. Make sure to smash that like button if you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to the channel for some future live trading videos, technical analysis videos, and press that bell notification so you know every single time that I post on this channel. Have a great weekend, guys, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.